viewers, me have the rest of the video here for you see, That man here wake up and decide say him no want live no more. So him go run cross main road and a taxi just chalk him out. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So before me jump into the review and make you know what I go on, pre this.
I'm desperately in need of help. I am fear for my life every day. But I'm not going to run. I'm going to keep fighting back. I'm a Jamaican. I'm going to keep fighting back. Enough is enough. I'm tired of these people. You understand? They're trying to get me out of the house. They've been trying to get me out of the house. Nobody listening to me. Nobody hearing me. And they're on here watching. And then when they come off, they're going to come out.
So you hear what the lady has said, oh, she's a Jamaican. Says she live on Long Island, New York. And say her neighbor them are racist. Them want get her out her house. But my people, there's two sides to every story, So now continue to listen to this and then hear what me have to say about this after. You see me?
You understand? You're not going to move in this house. Your family not going to move in this house. I'm promising you, they're not moving into this house. This is my fucking house, bitch. I need help on Long Island. I am living on Long Island. I'm a Jamaican living on Long Island, and I need help on Long Island. They are harassing me. I'm fighting back in the way I can fight back, and I'm not going to stop fighting back. You understand? Since I've been here, I've never, ever had a conversation with the woman with the tree over here. I never have a conversation with the people across the road that said I hit their car. I never have a conversation. I had a conversation with the woman at 79 East 19th Street who said she want me out of the house because she is the neighborhood watch. You understand? I mean, these people gang upon me, and they all, the 16, I know she's 16, 19, or she's the child that she want to put in the house. Each of them got to have a story, she said. She said, you should tell them that she's drunk. You should tell them that she's crazy. You should tell them that she's whatever they want to do with me. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm going to keep fighting back. I'm fighting back in my way. I'm a Jamaican. I come from Jamaica. And that way that we fight back, I'm going to keep fighting back. You understand? Keep manly. Keep paying your money. Keep paying your fucking money. This is the woman now. They said they have a chief of police. Chief of police never drive up on my blood clot gate and talk to me. He drive up at this gate and they put up a camera and they put up all the cameras. And he come over there more than one time. But none of them come over here and say nothing. I met about a lot of these people come down on me because they claim it's me alone living the house.
So to all of my New York viewers them or my American viewers them, Long Island a good up place. Better than Bronx and Brooklyn. Because to my knowledge, the Jamaican lady, she was married to a white man. And from she and the white man divorce, all of this does come down upon her. The whole community wants she to leave. Because remember, she probably could have lived in a little community or upon a street where mostly white people live upon. And because her husband met them did accept her. And now she and her husband left. Them probably look upon it like she should take away herself to them community. So my people, who make me know how Long Island stay. I don't know. So no walk with me and now. See that boy you wanna see on the screen. Him get up and decide say him no want live no more. And go run cross the road a Westmoreland. And attack chalk him out. Me I tell you no. Meds that video ya. Even though I can't show no the whole of the video. But I want to the people them boy ya. I stress. I depress. Me enough I wanna talk about a TikTok challenge him did a play. Till see it then now. Him 3 pints get talking. Him can't come back, So my some viewers, the man you wanna see on the screen, I run cross the road and did a video to himself. And him 3 pints get talking. A taxi run him over, me I tell you no. So my viewers, we keep moving again, See that girl you wanna see on the screen. 13-year-old Santina Sergeant, a student from Christiana High School. Police them find her unalive in her fridge behind her family them house a Clarendon. And my viewers, I'm tired about this thing The justice system have to do better when you catch them man we do certain things to them little pitney a death brother. It not fi been a life sentence Him not fi go to prison go eat 3 meals a day and a live taxpayers Look pon that girl what she coulda do, what she coulda say, all of that they even matter. Cause I know I defend the future of Jamaica Me is for the kids them boy and the elderly them The people them were in between, them can go and go drown, you know. So here we me have to say now, my people. We see this thing here happen over and over again. Where the kids them not safe. The people them not care about them. Them a target the little one them. Cause the big man them boy or the little girl them love, you know. So you don't see a situation like this. Can be a big man take her tricks, you know. Cause him hold on pan her and do him for do to her, you know. And him never want she talk, you know. So him just go silence her, you know. So my viewers, my condolences to 13-year-old Santina. You hear that? This nothing happen to nobody daughter. Mothers out there, fathers out. Protect on pitney them at all costs. If you have to take a 3 points to defend them, you have to do that in a real life. And you give birth to them, you know. What you gotta do? Stand up and make some boy dirty pitney. And then what? Walk past you with rum in a cup in a hand. Simple, eh? See here, sad thing me I tell you no. You hear that? Police them find her in a fridge me I tell you no. Boy them torture the little girl. Sad thing. My condolences to our family them. So no walk with me and no curfew there Linstead. The government put up $2 million reward for information leading to the arrest for the crash dummy them, the gun bag them, we go up on mission and go murder 4-year-old Shannon Garden. Me hear enough of una talk about a JCF do this. Let me tell you no this. Make sure when you no back against the wall, you know. You don't call 119, you know. Call on a gunman friend them. Call on a Dan and a general. Cause you say enough of uno. It's like uno nah no sense. Uno think JCF careless so. Eh? Uno think the man them have time for do this. You know say a gang war cause this. Some little waste man a run down danship and power in a community. So me tell you no this. The ghetto will always be the ghetto. And if you want a better life, you have to dig off and left ghetto. Dans and general run ghetto. The people them will live in a ghetto can't even think for themselves. A gunman think for them and tell them what to do. So see it here, Commodore Linstead, the crash dummy them pull up and them never ask no question. Them just start spray the place like beer gun. So who be to own, you know? Anyone they hide or who a shield, you know, and a keep, you know. Phone they go come, man. Remember that. You know, make man program, you know. Send on up and crash dummy mission. And see it here now. You know, run up and down after you hide. Not even a general want answer the phone call again. Some more people, I go take with myself, you know. You know, have a safe day out there. And a blessed day out there. Until next time, you see me?
I'm desperately in need of help. I am fear for my life every day. But I'm not going to run. I'm going to keep fighting back. I'm a Jamaican. I'm going to keep fighting back. Enough is enough. I'm tired of these people. You understand? They're trying to get me out of the house. They've been trying to get me out of the house. Nobody listening to me. Nobody hearing me. And they're on here watching. And then when they come off, they're going to come outside in the front of the yard. And they're going to laugh and they're going to throw the words on me. You understand? Because I don't have people in the system. I don't have people in the system on Long Island. On Long Island on 78, 77, 79th Street to do anything. I'm going to fight back with the last breath in my body. You understand? You're not going to move in this house. Your family not going to move in this house. I'm promising you, they're not moving into this house. This is my fucking house, bitch. I need help on Long Island. I am living on Long Island. I'm a Jamaican living on Long Island. And I need help on Long Island. They are harassing me. I'm fighting back in the way I can fight back. And I'm not going to stop fighting back. You understand? Since I've been here, I've never, ever had a conversation with the woman with the tree over here. I never have a conversation with the people across the road that said that I hit their car. I never have a conversation. I had a conversation with the woman at